I've got songs and you found love.
Hi guys, breakfast, pancake. Daming tao sa McDo kanina, kaya dito na. On the way kami sa church na aming bibisitahin every year.
If I got a two small chicks and a bright pink lips, baby, would you want to kiss me? Maybe thin eyes, better bright low.
Yo guys, dito na kami. Maaraw na. The sun is out and so are we. Tingnan. Ganda. Maneto. Beng. Tingnan muna. Beng, tingin ka dito, Beng.
Someone didn't allow me to wear something revealing.
Secret place to eh.
Huh?
Secret place. Meron kaming video dito guys. Nung una namin punta. Lalagay ko di to. Yan. Okay na, nakita niyo na po. Tapos yung mga pictures namin last year. Ganito kaming. Yan. Okay na. Okay guys, pipray muna kami. Set up ko dyan guys kung saan kami pupunta. Yung first anniversary na. Ito yung video mo. Check mo. Love you so much. Ganda mo, no? Iniwan ako, guys. Yan, dyan yung DP ko guys. Ganda nito guys, ganda sa loob. Papakita. Pakita yung mga pictures na. Yan o. Dito yung DP ko eh. Yan o. Pak. Yan. Grabe ito, sobrang ganda pa rin. Sa ako. Mukhang shih tzu na eh. So, picture kami ulit.
Please don't stay here. Please don't stay here.
Ayun na guys, dito na kami sa Twin Lakes. Naghahanap ng makakainan. Wala bang kumuan dito?
You've got secrets, I've got mine. I've got songs and you found love.
Ganda bing oh. Nakita mo yung tangang pusit na yun? Yung tangang pusit. Yan oh. Stupid squid. Kain muna guys. Wala pa kaming kain. Okay. That's it. Let's pray. Kain muna kami guys. Bye.